Good morning, children. Hello, how are you? You must be fit and fine, staying at home. Children, we are doing grammar topic, noun possessions. Okay, you have done earlier. This is all revision. Okay, see it. Noun possession, this possession means ownership. Okay, when you are saying ना कि like हिंदी में कहते हैं like ये अनीता की बुक है, ठीक है, ये अशोक की बैग है. ऐसे इंग्लिश में we are saying show the possession by adding s over here. S for only apostrophe, comma. Okay. See what is the rule of singular noun? When it is given singular noun, this book belongs to. This book belongs to Dia. Okay. This room belongs to Atul. So how can we show the possession? By adding comma s, apostrophe s. See, this book belongs to Riya. Riya's book. This is Riya's book. Okay? It means this book is of Riya. Riya's book. To make into short. This room belongs to Atul. Now you will keep in your mind, whose room is this? You have to keep one thing in your mind. Whenever you are writing, you have to listen, have to see whose thing is this? किसकी है ये? अतुल का रूम है. Show the possession like this. Atul's. This is Atul's room. Okay? This is Atul's room. This is all about when we are adding in a singular noun is given. So we are supposed to add this apostrophe s. This is apostrophe s. This is called apostrophe s. Okay? Apostrophe. This is apostrophe s. Okay? We are adding apostrophe s to singular noun. Okay? Then when singular noun or plural. So let's see when there is singular noun or plural. Okay? Singular noun or plurals. Or plurals. Plural noun. Okay? Plural noun. The plurals. Okay? We add only, see the example, we add only this apostrophe, okay, comma. See, singular noun, you must be thinking that singular noun के साथ teacher has told the apostrophe s, but singular noun ends with s. See, this cottage belongs to Mr. Das. Okay, this is singular noun. Singular noun. Okay. Next is or plurals. Okay. This hostel belongs to boys. Okay, boys. Okay. It means this cottage belongs to Mr. Da. This cottage belongs to Mr. Das cottage. If already s is given, you are supposed to write only this, show the possession, only apostrophe. Okay? Mr. Das cottage. Okay? Mr. Das cottage. Okay? Next, this is this hostel belongs to boys. This hostel belongs to boys. There are many boys. Okay? Already s is given. Plural is given. So you are supposed to write boys hostel. It means boys hostel. It means it indicates, tells about this hostel is meant for all the boys, not for singular. Okay, not for singular. Whenever children again see, whenever there is plural given, a plural. Excuse me. Children see when there can be more examples like see students. Okay, then children, then girls. Okay, in these plural you are supposed to write. Okay, supposed to write only students. S is already given. Students, books. Okay, it means these books belong to students, all the students' book. Children, keep wondering in your mind whenever the plural is given, not ended with any s. So you are supposed to write children's dresses. Okay. Then girls, already is given plural given it, so you are supposed to write girls hostel. Okay, girls college. Okay, so you are supposed to write only show the possession by apostrophe. Okay, see mice itself is a plural. Okay, so when you are supposed to write mice, only show the possession apostrophe. Mice whole. Okay, it means this whole belongs to all the mice. All the mice go in this whole. So you keep wondering in your mind again, whenever there is singular noun given, so you are supposed to write apostrophe s, or when there is singular noun and with s, this is Mr. Das, and with s, Mr. Das, you are supposed to write only this apostrophe to show the possession. Okay, and when there is plural, so plural में s is given already plural में, so you are supposed to write only apostrophe to show the possession. Okay, this all about the rules of this possession to show the possession. Again, children, keep one thing in your mind whenever you are writing this to show the possession. Keep one thing in your mind is singular noun with plural noun or noun and with s. So you are supposed to write this ends with s, like Mr. Das. You are supposed to write singular noun के साथ Riyas to show the possession. Okay, plural noun students already given s is already given to show the possession like this. Or Mr. Das and with s. So you are supposed to write, though it is singular, but you are supposed to write to show the possession like this, Mr. Das house. Okay, this is all about noun possession. I hope you must have understood, children. Okay, bye. See you again. Okay.